If you're on the market for brand new patio lights that are shatterproof, or if you're tired of having to go back inside because there's no lighting in the backyard or in the patio area, then these products may be ones to consider picking up. Today we're comparing the differences between the 48-foot one and the 96-foot one Govee Lynx white LED light bulbs. In the interest of full disclosure, this product was sent to me free of charge by Govee. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own, nor has anyone reviewed or proved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. What I love about this particular product is that both of them are shatterproof, weatherproof, waterproof, snowproof, which means that once you hang these up, you don't have to worry about the elements of the environment affecting them and having to take them back down. The one on the left is the 48-foot one, and it comes with 15 light bulbs. You can actually add an extension if you wanted to make it longer by purchasing another 48 one. And then the one on the right is the 96-foot one, which is a lot larger, and that comes with 30 light bulbs. And you'll see that in a minute. Both allow you to be able to have dimmability of the lights between 1% up to 100%. And there are various different scene modes that you can choose from to either make it really romantic or make it a little bit more of a nice ambiance if you were going to have a garden party in the evening of your home, or you just wanted to eat outdoors. As you can see, the one on the right, which I'm going to illuminate in a second, has a lot of light bulbs. So this is perfect if you have a lot of space that you want to cover with the light itself. These also have about 20,000 hours of lifespan, which means that it's going to last you for quite some time. The great thing about this product also is that you can also have this on a timer. So that means you don't have to turn these on manually. You can have it turn on and off automatically based on your timing preference. Just in case you did want to manually change the lighting or turn it on and off manually, you can use the Govee app to easily do that. As you can see on the right, you have two sets of 15 light bulbs, which really allow for a lot of coverage if you have the space in your backyard or the patio as well. But if you had something that's a little smaller, a little more intimate, you can choose, again, the 48 one. And if you ever change your mind, you can always purchase another 48 one and easily have that connected to the 48 one to make it a little bit longer. If you were going to use the Bluetooth app, one thing to note is that you'd have to be at least around 230 feet nearby. As you can see also, I was just hitting the two light bulbs together to show how much of a shatterproof product it is, making your life easier because it's made with heavy duty plastic, and these LED patio lights really are designed to be durable as equally safe. Now, the other thing I was going to say is that these lights are IP65 water resistant rating, making them, again, waterproof, sunproof, snowproof, and really safe for being outdoors. These are energy efficient and also long lasting, and as previously mentioned, it has about 20,000 hours of lifespan. So that's a great thing to have in case you wanted to have these on for quite some time. Right now, I'm changing the lighting percentage so that you can see the differences from bright to super dim. So again, if you were looking to have something that's a little bit more of a romantic type of lighting, you can do that. You also have 6 scene modes that you can choose from to basically make it easy in the backyard or in your patio to have different type of lighting in case you wanted to have a little bit more of a celebratory type of lighting or illumination in the backyard as well. You can go from 0 to 100%, again, to making sure that you have the right level lighting outdoors. And between the 6 different scene modes, you have between steady, breathe, starry flake, drumming, twinkle, and candlelight. So you have a few already preset in case you didn't want to actually, again, change those manually. The great thing about this product, as I mentioned before as well, is that you can also have it on a timer so that you're not having to actually manually turn it on and off. But in case you wanted to manually turn on and off the lights, you can do so using the Govee app. If you're looking for lighting that will illuminate your backyard or your patio, that is also designed to be shatterproof and weatherproof and give you the options from going to really nicely lit illuminations in the backyard or to a candlelight lighting for a romantic evening, then consider picking up either the 48, which is on the left, or the 96, which is on the right, Govee string lights. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.